Coronavirus. So presently we are dealing with a pandemic situation by coronavirus which originated from China. And in this video I will be describing certain commonly asked questions by various parents about how to prevent the coronavirus spread, etc. There is plethora of information available on WhatsApp, Facebook, Google. There are many sources from where you can get an information how to prevent a coronavirus spread. As we all know that now India is in a stage 3 of the coronavirus spread, which is called community transmission. So here the history of travel is no more important. Any patient or any child or any elder one who's suspected of coronavirus needs to be screened and quarantined if required. So what are the commonly asked questions? Question number one: can coronavirus be prevented? Yes, it can be prevented. Question number two: then how it can be prevented? So here are certain things. Number one: wash your hands. Every time you touch any surface in the hospital, or even if you are not in hospital, at home, try to wash your hands as many as times possible. Simple soap and clean water is what needed. Number two: you can avoid touching with your hands to your face, nose. This is how it gets transmitted, because if it stays on the surface, if you touch that surface, and from that if you put your hand on the mouth or nose, there are chances you might get infected. Now as we know, it's a where community transmission is already happening, so you don't need anyone with a history of travel abroad or to the place where the situation is worse. Anyone can be infected. Apart from that, avoid traveling. Please follow government rules and regulations, which are being government is being very proactive. So we, it's as a citizen, it is our responsibility to support the government and follow the orders by the authorities. One parent did ask about the symptoms which are of the coronavirus. I'll be very honest, and you all know that there are no specific symptoms you can label them as only because of coronavirus. You will get a fever, cough, cold, sore throat, myalgia, and then you have difficulty in breathing. So these are the symptoms which are because of coronavirus, as well as this can happen with other viruses also. One parent called me and asked me that we are stressed, we are anxious, our kid got a simple some cold, what to do? Then my advice to you all is that be at home. You don't have all cough and cold don't need to be seen by a doctor and need to be moved out in the hospital. Be at home, give paracetamol and see. Also, to reduce your anxiety and stress, I would say take a break from news for a while, have healthy food, exercise, be with your family. Rarely you get a time, and this way you can help the community if you are moving out, that you're not endangering yourself but also to the community. So please stay at home. One mother asked me that what to do with my child 24/7 at home. We get bored. If the child is very restless, then there are many things which you can do at home. Many board games are there. Many creative activities you can teach your child. So indoor chess, there are plenty of options. If you just look at it, you just google it and you'll find many options which you can do at home. You don't need any excuse to go out in the current situation where the risk is more if you go out, to you yourself as well as to the community. Someone did ask, like, how long these things will go on like this. Will the summer be the end of it? Honestly, nobody knows the answer of it. We just have to take one day at a time, follow the guidelines given by the government, and then as and when the situation will improve, we all will be communicated by the government, and that's how the things will unfold. So this was, friends, commonly asked or the frequently asked questions by various parents on WhatsApp about this current situation. As I said, there is plenty of information how many cases happened in India, in Gujarat, or the expiries, and then so there are a lot of news out there. uh, Take a break for a while from those news, negative news, and have some quality time with your family. It will be a stress buster, and as I said before, stay at home. This is how we can help each and everyone. Thank you very much.